AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a cash cow. Imagine making $500 a day with just a few clicks. Right now, people are using AI tools to generate income online every single day. In this video, I'll show you how AI can transform your income and the tools you need to get started. Method 1: AI freelancing. Freelancing is booming. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with people offering AI-driven services. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can create stunning work and get paid fast. You can also use AI to your advantage by offering services that leverage its power. For example, you could specialize in writing SEO-optimized blog posts using AI content generators, or offer to create custom social media graphics with tools like Canva and Midjourney. The key is to find a niche where AI can give you a significant advantage, and then market that unique skill set to clients. Method 2: content creation with AI. Content creation is the new gold rush. Use AI to launch faceless YouTube channels or TikTok accounts. AI handles the scripts and edits, while you rake in money from ads and sponsorships. This method is all about volume and efficiency. You can use a tool like ChatGPT to generate 100 video ideas in minutes, then have it write the scripts for your top choices. AI voice generators can narrate the content, and AI video editors can stitch it all together with stock footage and music. Your job is to manage the process and focus on what's working, allowing you to produce a massive amount of content without ever having to be on camera yourself. Method 3: e-commerce and print on demand. E-commerce is easier than ever. With AI tools, design unique products and sell them on sites like Etsy. Each sale can bring in passive income while you sleep. This is all made possible through a process called print on demand. Instead of creating and storing physical products yourself, you use AI to generate stunning designs for t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Then, you simply upload those designs to a print-on-demand partner that integrates with your store. When a customer makes a purchase, the partner handles all the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. This frees you from the hassle of managing inventory and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on creating more designs, scaling your business. Method 4: AI-powered side hustles. AI can power your side hustle. From automated newsletters to chatbots, build a business that runs on autopilot, giving you more time and more income streams. This approach is all about using AI as your personal employee. You can use tools to create a fully automated email newsletter that curates content from the web and sends it out on a schedule, or build a customer service chatbot that can answer common questions on your website 24/7. By setting up these automated systems, you're essentially building a business that requires minimal hands-on management, allowing you to generate revenue even when you're focused on other projects or just relaxing. I won't make you rich overnight, but it can set you on the path to real earnings. The early adopters will always have the edge. Would you try freelancing, content creation, or e-commerce with AI? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for more ways AI is shaping the future of money and work.